Hi, I'm Sledge, and this is art advice for people who know literally nothing about drawing. If you're already a pro and know what you're doing, this isn't for you, so you don't have to go in the comments telling me I'm an idiot. My advice is crap. I already know, alright? But if you've never drawn anything before, this series of short tutorials will teach you how to make your crappy little stick figures look like Greek statues. So with this video, I will show you the only difference between your garbage drawing and real life is real life has ray tracing. You gotta draw shadows on your stuff. So here we have your art. Pick an easy direction for the light to be coming from, like directly in front, slightly to the right, but still in front, or directly on top. They're all good starting points. Or from behind to the left, and you just color practically the whole thing black and make it a silhouette. But any way you choose, just lightly start drawing the shadows on that bad boy. If you're on paper, then make it light with the pencil, so you can erase it easily. When you're satisfied with it, start shading it harder and darker. Then bam, boom, pow! Your piece of paper has an RTX 4090. Just look at this. All you gotta do is turn your crappy art into a work of art, is add shadows. Crazy, isn't it? Quickly sketch some garbage little characters and start practicing shadows from different angles. Then later, try drawing something good. And when it turns out bad, draw shadows to fix it. You're welcome. And if you want to be really snazzy, you can add highlights. And if you want to be really, really snazzy, make them glow. Subscribe to my channel. More tutorials every time I decide to make them. Thank you. Goodbye.